Schleich the Styles, and today I'm going to be doing my 5 favourite puppies. As normal, I'm going to be going least favourite to favourite. In 5th is Honey, and I really love the detail on her and the colouring, because on her belly is light and on her back and head it's darker. So I really like Honey. In 4th is Coco, and she's a Papillon puppy. And I really like the detail and the colouring, but also I like the detail on the paws. They've done the black dots. And I love her tail that it kind of curls over, and they've done all the hair that sticks out of it. So I really do like Coco. In 3rd is Spots, and he's a Dalmatian puppy. And I love that he's got a little black eye here, but also I love that he's got his paw up playing. It looks like he's saying hello to someone. And I love his spots, and they're all different sizes so that it makes him look real, and his little tail waggling. In 2nd is Teddy, and he has to take his teddy everywhere with him, even to film videos. And I love his little tail, it's curled up, and he's so small and cute. So I really love Teddy. Last but not least, in 1st is Hatchie, and he's a golden retriever puppy. I love him so much. He's my favourite puppy, and his face is so cute, but most of all, his fur makes him look really cute, and his small little legs. And again, like Coco, he has the black bits on his feet, and I love him so much. I hope you like seeing all my 5 favourite puppies. If you did, smash that like button, but don't smash your screen because you'll be needing to like more of these videos. Bye guys!